In this video, we're checking an AI tool called Vidx AI. It's help you find a viral faceless videos and ideas, analyzing niches, and basically shortcut to the whole YouTube research process. So let's find out what it does exactly. So basically, Vidx AI is an AI platform built for creator who makes faceless video. You want to fast teach research, or you want to build data from real channels via videos or trending categories. Then give you ideas, analytics, and predictions, of course. So in this screen, you have the channels. You can search a channel by channel name or description or even keywords. You have different kind of filters here. You can have from the creation. You have unlimited. You have even from yesterday, what is being created and trending right now. 7 days, 28 days, up to you have 1 year, or even select from the calendar the time range. You can do your filter based on the subscriptions, on all different kind of categories. You can filter based on what you required. So the results will give you all these details about these channels and give you all the details of views and likes and comments and all these kind of details. You have even the subscriptions of 44.8 millions. You can go ahead and even add it as a favorite in case you want to come back to it later. You can add it here on the list. You can create your own also group and make it for the research purpose for it. Even you can check their social media on these links. The most important thing is the outliers. For each channel, you have this number, which is going to give you how many videos is outperformed on this channel. You can see the growth for within like 24 hours, 7 days, and all that. Can give you how much each channel is going faster with the subscriptions, and this will give you also the growth rate for each channel. You can basically also search by videos, video title, or hashtag, description, and channel. You can search also by long form videos or even short. With all these filters, you can apply and do the research. You can click any one of these videos, and here you can get all the details about this video. Another tool which is trending, this tool will give you all the trending videos, even long form or even the short form. If I selected the long form, also you can give you also these ideas, and this is the data of this channel. You can also have the data downloaded by clicking here. You download to you as a Excel file for all this data you have searched for. You can go to the each channel and check the details. You can see the likes average. You can see even the videos, comments, views average. All these details can even help you to analyze the video. And this is the graphs of views, subs, and the estimating of estimation of the revenue. And this graph will show even more details. So you basically have to this package. You can select which one it is you can invest in based in what your budget is. But you can try it, of course, for free for 9 quiz or 10 quiz and see if it's worth it or not. If you decide to sign up for these packages, don't forget to sign up with the link below in the description. So the final thing about this tool, if you are into faceless YouTube automation or you want to save hours on research, Vidx AI is worth trying. It's not magic, but it's actually save your time for researching or finding idea fast. Use it smart and you save ton of time. Thank you for watching and see you on next one. Peace.